Hello Gemini, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 28th September to 4th October 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. These are general predictions. They may or may not resonate with you. In case you want a personalized reading, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. And before I start this session, I would like to give you a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for 3 seconds and release it very slowly. Once we are done with this session, please open your eyes slowly and align yourself with the current energies. Gemini, now requesting you to close your eyes. Gemini, now looking at your weekly energies, I have the cards of 5 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles, the Miser. 5 of Pentacles here indicates that you are getting over a disappointing situation. You are moving forward. You may be very skeptical of where you put your resources now for the next few months because you've gone through the grind of not taking care of your wealth, spending unnecessarily, and now you're going to be very limited in terms of what you spend, who you spend on, what you do with your finances, and you're going to be very limited in terms of whatever you do, in terms of your interaction, in terms of your wealth, in terms of everything that you have to do basically. On the love front, we've got Queen of Swords and the Lovers. Queen of Swords here indicates that you're in a investigative mode. You want to know if the person you are involved with is actually interested in you, or are they in the relationship for the physical aspect of it. You might be very direct in terms of your communication. You may be really strict in terms of how you behave or how your lover behaves with you, and you may not want to take anything any crap that they give you, because you are in a phase where you are just mentally thinking and analyzing this relationship. On the other hand, the person is of course into you, but could also be that the person is actually there for the physical aspect of it, and now you're questioning the entire concept of being in a relationship with this person. Also, for very few Geminis, this could be the scenario that the other person could be having choices in terms of their love life, and they may be going through a hard time selecting one out of the two options they have. On the love front, we've got Queen of Pentacles and going with the flow. Queen of Pentacles here indicates that you will be earning very well this week. You will be able to provide for. You are making new opportunities. You may start something new that will give you that is very promising, and that will give you the assurance that it's going to work out fabulously in the future. This could be a creative project. This could be something that you've been wanting to do. This is something of a creative nature. This is something that you put your mind, body, soul into, and now you have to take a decision in regards to if you want to do this, if you want to pursue this or not. When it comes to your health front, I have the cards of the Star and Isolation. The star and isolation both indicate issues regards to blood circulation, your entire nervous system. It could also indicate, dealing with loss or grief. It could indicate renal stones. It could also indicate that suppression of urine can cause a lot of conflict here, and malnutrition. So, in case you're not taking care of your health, it's a very strong indication that you start doing so. Looking at the advices that we have for you, you've got heart to heart conversations. Honestly, discuss your feelings with each other. Better to be in an investigative mode, I would say. And advice from your spirit animals: dove, serenity, slow down, pause, and breathe. And if there is a question that has been lingering on your mind, what will happen about it? What should I do? What would you do? What would the other person do? The answer is it's up to you. The crystals that I recommend for this week are angelite, blue lace agate, and a perphyllite. So, these crystals will really help you get over whatever trauma that you will be or whatever trauma that you are going through, and it will give you the courage to take things more positively ahead. So, Gemini, this is your weekly prediction. Please let me know if this resonates with you by writing to me in the comment section below. That's the only way if I know my readings are in alignment to you, and I would really appreciate some feedback. Until I bring the next reading for you, Gemini, please stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.